Hello everyone. I am creating this video because there is an issue where the kids install extension and it creates a lot of problem. So I'm going to show you two ways how you can remove the extension. So the first way is you can right click on the three dots on the corner in the address bar. Well, sometimes if you don't see those three dots, you might see like a circle with an exclamation. You just have to click on it and see what kind of extension it is. Either it will, if you want that extension or you don't. So now if you can see the three dots, all you will do is click on the arrow and then you'll go click on more tools and click on extension. Now this will show you all kinds of extension. You can just leave the Google ones in there and maybe Screencastify or something that the students use. But if you see anything like a game or a Splunky or like some car game, tank game, all you can do is you can remove those extension. So all you'll have to do is just click on remove and it will remove that extension. So I'm going to show you an example. I have this extension here. Click on remove. That's the first way. The second way, what you can do is you can just type in the address bar, it's chrome colon forward slash extension. Again, it's going to take you to the same page. Just leave the Google ones and just remove the other ones. Then I also see sometimes if you see now how my Google is like a dark theme. These are called as themes. This is not the regular Google homepage that you will see because this is just a theme that I've installed. Now you might see some students might have like an NFL theme, a gaming theme, or it can be like anything. So that also can create a problem. So what you can do there is you can click on again the three dots on the side, settings, and then you will have to scroll down and you will see this option. Right now I installed this theme called as Into the Mist. I don't want that, so what you can do is you can click on reset to default and it's going to take you back to your original theme. This is like the Google's standard theme that every student should have. That should be it. If you have any questions, just either call me or create a ticket. We'll take care of it. Thank you. Bye bye.